Well, this is the downpipe. It is a Catted Downpipe. It does have decent welds all the way around. For the price, you cannot beat this. I wanted a Catted one because this basically has no smell. Well, after heating up, it will have no smell. That's something that I was aiming for. And it looks pretty well. This is the whole kit. It's bring this clamp. Supposedly on the forums, this ain't the best nut, so people have a fix for it. They put another nut or they put Loctite on it, so that's the thing to look out for. And well, let's install this and see how it sounds.